The Dhamma, revealed by the Enlightened One, is not a matter of belief, opinion, or blind faith. It is the timeless, universal truth, unshaken by the ages, untouched by culture. Beyond the reach of debate or theory, it was true in the past. It remains true today, and it will endure forever. In a world that constantly changes, where science rewrites itself and technology reinvents reality, the Dhamma stands still, pure, profound, perfect. No discovery can disprove it. No theory can weaken it. No new knowledge can outshine it. Why? Because every word the Buddha spoke is rooted in the three universal truths: impermanence, suffering, non-self. Through this wisdom, we see the Buddha not merely as a teacher, but as the fully awakened one, the purest guide, who revealed the path to liberation. His teachings are not meant only to be admired or studied. They are meant to be realized, lived, experienced in the depths of our own being. When we open our hearts and minds to the Dhamma, we do not simply learn, we awaken.